Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are back with another protective style. This boho twist with crochet feather hair has me in a complete chokehold. Like from a distance, this looks like I'm rocking a wash and go or a bomb twist out. But when you get up close, you can see that these are individual twists with the boho hair left out. So this is the feather crochet hair. I did get this hair from a seller on TikTok Shop. I'll leave the name up above. I'll also put the link in the description box. But this Afro kinky feather hair, I'm obsessed. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. After you watch this complete video, like it, share it, comment, go to that description box, hit the link so that you can do this style. It was so easy, so simple. I got this finished so quick. Let me get up close. Like, are we seeing this? Twist. I have like 3 to 4 boho pieces left out on each twist. I installed these about 5 days ago. These have been up for 5 days. I have not refreshed these curls. This is how good this hair is. 5 days, I have done no refreshing to these curls and they still look amazing. So you can definitely get 7 days out of this. And let me show you what product I use because I cannot wait to do a wash and go with this product. Hold on. All I did was spray my hair down with water and I used the Miche Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. It says frizz-free definition. That is exactly what this mousse gives you. 5 days ago, I defined these curls and they still look amazing. Thanks to this product, which I also link below, and this amazing hair. So let's get right into this tutorial. So if you have gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, my friend, what are you waiting for? There is no charge to you. It is completely free. It'll only take you a few seconds. Click subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Share this with a friend who needs a few hair tips. I do post a lot of hair tutorials, mostly protective styles. I will be getting back into my natural hairstyles. So I don't want you to miss out on any of this amazing content. So go ahead and subscribe. I'll wait for you. So tell me, are you as obsessed with this style as I am? Because I am completely obsessed. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think I might do a little refresh today with this. It doesn't necessarily need it. I actually like how it looks the older that it gets. We may refresh her, we may not. I will show you a few styles that you can do with this look. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I am loving this style. Let me know in the comment section below, would you try this style? And what style do you want to see me do next? As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.